food has this thing to bring people together, and it's just the happiness, and whether you're sad, angry, if you have food, you're always like, it changes your mood. So I just want to give that feeling to other people. That's why I decided to do ICCA.
As an Emirati, I joined the culinary school because I want to do something new, such as being a chef, and I want to create my own career and open my own restaurant in UAE.
I've been doing cooking for almost 7 years right now, and I'm at a stage of my life where I wanted to get some sort of degree in culinary world. It's a plus, and attending ICCA as well was a privilege. So top 10 schools in the world, so why not?
One of the major things that was attracting towards ICCA Dubai was its chefs. Its environment was so nice and open, but yet they pushed you to the limits, and I changed personally a lot. I see a complete difference in my personality ever since I got here, and my work as well. The second major thing was that everything was open, halal, so I could try everything as well as experiment anything I wanted to in the kitchens.
Taste of Dubai was very epic. It was very impeccable, I can say. It was very fantastic. Me being a team leader gave me, like, what can I say, an authority to lead people. Chef Michelle was there with us, Chef Sam, Chef Uno, and they really directed us in the right direction to give instructions and to execute our dishes.
Energetic, because everyone's really pumped for everything that's going on. Our chefs are doing an incredible job keeping us pumped up. There's so much to learn, so I don't know how to put that into words, but every day we've learned so much.
Wanted to become a chef, and I found ICCA Dubai, and here I am. I'm going to become a chef.